Welcome everyone to our second CPEA Math Review Marathon. Okay, could you all just type a J in the chat if you can hear me clearly, if you can see the screen at the back of me clearly, if everything is clear. Just type a J in the chat so I know that we are doing fine on this end and that you can hear me clearly so that we can begin with our math games today. Okay, great, excellent. Okay, great, Joshua, Jayan, excellent. If you do not have a paper, a pencil, or a pen, you should get that right now because you will be doing some working. You may need to do, well, you will be doing working for some of the question. Some you are able to do mentally, but for others, you will be required to do some quick working. Okay, so please get your pencil, your paper, your pen, so that we can begin. Remember, no calculators allowed for the exam, the CPEA math exam upcoming on the 4th. You will not be required to use a calculator, so you are not going to use any calculator today. If you use a calculator, you're only cheating yourself because we are here for us to learn. Okay, so by cheating, you're only cheating yourself. Okay, so ensure that you do not use any calculator. Please share with someone from your class. Share with someone that you know is in grade 6. Anybody you know that's going to write the CPEA math exam on the 4th this week. Please share this live with them because we are going to have lots of fun today. We are going to practice some math concepts. And the focus for today, by the way, we'll be looking at decimals. Okay, so we'll be getting some practice on decimals today. Okay, so welcome. For those of you all who do not know, at Jumpstart Institute, we do have available our CSEC and our CPEA Math Digital Study Guide. And also for those of you who do not know me, by the way, who are here for the first time, I am Miss Kishara George, the CEO and founder of an online learning institution called Jumpstart Institute. And our mission is to improve academic performance across the Caribbean through technology and also to empower our students through technology. So we do have available on our website, www.jumpstartinstitute.com. That's in the chat. Okay, we do have available our CPEA Math Digital Study Guide for anybody who wants to do some last minute practice. Okay, once you get into our website, once you get onto the website, you will scroll down and you will get access to the CPEA Math Digital Study Guide. You click on Unlock the Success, and this is going to then take you to the payment portal. Once you make the payment, you will get access to 2 sections. The first section, you will get access to number concepts, okay, geometry, statistics, a number of different videos and practice quizzes as well. Not just video explanations, but practice quizzes on computation, measurements, and so on. All the key concepts that you need for the upcoming exams. All of the videos are animated videos, okay, basically bringing the math concept alive. Okay, the animated videos goes through the different concepts, explains using pictures, using animations, so that you can better understand the math. And after each video, after each explainer video, we also have self-paced quizzes. Okay, like for example, this quiz here on a decimal. Once you click on start, it takes you to the quiz. Then you read the question, you answer, then you check. You check to see if your answer is correct. Once it's correct, it will let you know that it's correct. If your answer is incorrect, I'm choosing the incorrect one here. It will let you know that it's incorrect, and then it will also show you the correct answer. So that's available at www.jumpstartinstitute.com. Okay, for those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel, you should do so right now. Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, share with your classmates, let them know that we are here and we are almost ready to begin. Okay, again, get your pencil, get your paper. Okay, for those of you all who do know me, and I said this last time I was here, that I go to the gym every day, okay? Every day I'm at the gym. And at the start of our exercise session, we always do a little warm up. So this is what we are going to do here first. We are going to do a little bit of warm up. And for this warm up exercise, like we did last week, I am going to be testing you on your multiplication table. Okay, now last week I gave you all 30 seconds to answer each multiplication question. But today, I'm giving you all just 20 seconds. And I know that you all can do it. Okay, so already I would like you all to go to the link. I'm typing it in the chat. www.kahoots.it. Click on this link. Okay, let's see here. I am missing a letter in this. Let me retype this. www.kahoots.it. So you click on the link and I'm going to give you the game link. Allow me to just load the game. So again, the first round is the speed bolt round. You have 20 seconds for you to answer the multiplication question. No calculators allowed. Okay, so the code is 3874002. 3874002. Okay, so you just type this in. Okay, I see a few persons already on here. Okay, great. Ajani, I see Katleya. Okay, Kijok, let's see Josh, Karen, Sierra. Okay, excellent. I see 12 persons on here already. I'm going to type the code in the chat for someone who can't see properly on the screen. Okay, I'm just going to type the code in the chat just to make sure. Let's see, it's 3874002. 3874002. Okay, if you are ready and you're good to go, type another J in the chat for me. J for Jumpstart Institute. Type another J in the chat if you're ready, and I should begin the game right now. If for some reason while you're playing the game, your internet connection drops and you aren't able to join, you can always just answer in the chat area, okay? Answer in the chat area so that you are able to participate even if you have connection issues with your internet. Okay, so I see a few persons here tell me that they're ready, so we're going to begin. You have 20 seconds to answer. It's going to be a quick round. I'm testing you on your multiplication table, and this, you should already have this locked down already for your exam this Thursday. Okay, so good luck. And remember, at the end of the game, we are all winners. Okay, we are all winners at the end of the game. So let's see here. We are going to begin right now. What is 5 times 7? Excellent. 18 persons got this correct. I think about 20 something of you are on the game. So this is great. Excellent. Next question. Okay, so Katleya, I see you at the top here, and Karen. Okay, let's go to the next question. What is 6 times 4? What is 6 times 4? Okay, I see that less persons got this correct. I mean, this is still good, 16 out of 20 something. Okay, so the answer is 24. Please work on your 6 times table, okay? But still, you all are doing great. You all are doing great. 6 times 4, that's 24. Okay, Jamar, I see you climbing up here. And Sierra and Josh. What's 4 squared or 4 to the power of 2? Okay, so the answer is 16. So for those of you all who do not know, whenever you have a number being raised to the power of 2, it does not mean to multiply that number by 2. What it means is to multiply that number by itself. So it says 4 to the power of 2. This is the same as saying 4 multiplied by 4. So you see the number 2 here, the power. Okay, this means that the number 4 is going to appear twice. So 4 times 4, this is equal to 16. Okay, when you get to high school, you will learn more about powers, okay, and the indices. Okay, so let's see here. Excellent. I see Kaden just fly up to the top here real quick. Okay, so we are number 4. Multiply 12 by 6. Okay, 12 times 6, that's 72. Okay, so again, your 12 times table, 6 times table, these tables, you'll have to really work on them. Okay, but you'll are doing great. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, I see T. Zion is here climbing to the top, and Kaden is just maintaining that position here. Find 3 times 4 times 2. Okay, excellent. So for those of you who probably had a bit of difficulty with this, you simply say 3 multiplied by 4, and that gives us 12. Then you multiply this answer 12 by the next number 2. 12 times 2, that gives us 24. Okay, so let's get to the next question. You all are doing great. Excellent, excellent. How many dots are in the array? Okay, excellent. So for those of you who do not know, whenever you have an array, which is an arrangement of whether it is letters, numbers, symbols in rows and columns, you don't necessarily have to count each dot. You could simply count the number of circles, okay, in the rows and the columns. So how many columns did we have? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's 8 columns here. And how many rows did we have? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. So to get the number of dots or circles in this array, you simply had to say 6 multiplied by 8. The number of rows multiplied by the number of columns. 6 by 8, that gave us 48. We just have about 3 more questions. I see Josh is here climbing to the top. 9 times what would give us 63? Excellent. 9 times 7 would give us 63. Okay, next question. Okay, I see Joshua really climbing on top here, but Kaden is maintaining his top position. Okay, so let's see. Calculate the product of 8 and 9. Okay, excellent. Here although I'm seeing less persons, you see again your 8 times table, 9 times, 6 times, and your 12 times. I'm seeing that some of you all are having difficulty with these. So ensure that you go over these. Okay, so 8 times 9, that would be 72. Okay, I see if it's climbing to the top here. And Imani is just a few points away from getting to the top part. So here we have, if 4 times A is 28, what is A? Okay, so the answer was 17. Just a little bit of algebra here. 4 times A is equal to 28. A represents a number that we do not know, but we know that 4 times 7 would give us 28. So therefore, A is equal to 7. Okay? When you get to high school, you get a little bit more of algebra. So let's see who was at the top here. So number 3, third place, we have Josh. And the second place, we have Katleya. And to the top, we have Carden. Okay, so congratulations to the top 3 persons. And Zion and Okaif, 4th and 5th place. Okay, you all did an excellent job. We are all winners. Even if you do not see your name on the screen, we are all winners. And you all did an excellent job. An excellent job. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so again, if you do not have your paper and your pencil, you have the opportunity to get that right now. Okay, if you do not have your pencil and your paper, you have the opportunity to get that right now. If you all enjoyed that, please type a J in the chat for me. J for Jumpstart Institute. If you all enjoyed playing the speed round, please type a J in the chat for me. I just want to know that you all are here. Excellent. So Shari had fun. Okay? And who's that? Futuristic had fun. I'm just calling the names based on what I see. Okay, so now you have the opportunity for you to get your pencil, to get your paper, because we are going to now go into the game where we will be looking at decimals. For some of the questions, you can do them mentally, but for others, you will be required to do some quick working. Okay, and remember, each question is timed. Okay, so you would need to have your resources with you. Remember as well, when you're doing the actual CPEA exam, you should not spend more than 1.5 minutes on a question. Okay, so if you're there going 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes on a question, you are wasting too much time. Okay, so you should not spend more than 1.5 minutes on your question on the day of the exam. So for the multiple choice that we are going to do today, majority of them, I have them at 1.5 minutes. For about 2 of them, I just gave you a little more, like 30 seconds more at 2 minutes. Okay, so let's get straight into the game. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. Subscribe to the channel. We will be on again. God's willing, we will be on again this week. We will be on Wednesday, the eve of the exam. Okay, at 6 p.m. I will also be live at 7 p.m. for CSECMA. For some reason, I double booked myself and I did not realize. But nonetheless, we're going to come on here on Wednesday at 6 and we're going to play that game within an hour. Okay? So please subscribe to the channel so that you can get notification once we are on, because on Wednesday, as soon as we come on, we have to start so that I can wrap up within an hour. Okay, so let's go. Let's get to the next game. So again, you type in www.kahoots.it. Okay, so you click on this link. I am going to give you all the game code right now. So it's decimals. So we have 9 questions on this game. Okay, 9 questions. And the code is 668 6596. 668 6596. I'm going to type that in the chat for who cannot see. So I'm typing the code in the chat, 668 6596. Okay, so 15 of you all are on. I know that probably about 5 more persons to join. I see Imani here. I see Kevan, Kaden, Katlea, Joshua, Lila, Zalika, Dejane, Zalika, Kishanta, Laura Lee. Okay, I can see you all here. Triquan, Vanessa, Sierra. Okay, so I see 22 of you all are on. Okay, and Ajani just joined. Okay, so let's begin the game. Good luck to everyone. Which set is written from the largest to the smallest? Okay, excellent. 16 of you all got this correct. For those of you all who are unclear. Okay, a quick way or one strategy which you can use for you to analyze or to determine which decimal is the largest is to write it down vertically, okay, and also to use the place value chart. You begin to compare your digits furthest to the left. Okay, so here in the first column, in the ones column, the number with the highest digit would have the greater value. Okay, so here the first one would be 7. Okay, then you compare your digits in the 10th place. Okay, so as you can see here, this number, the second one that I have, has the highest digit, the digit with the highest value. Okay, so then this one here would be the next number in terms of the largest value, 0.7. Then you compare the digits in the 100th place. Okay, again, as you can see, this number here has the highest digit in this place value. So therefore, 0.07 would be larger than 0.007. Okay, so this is just one strategy that you can use to place your digits vertically. And also to use the place value chart, begin to compare the digits furthest to the left. Okay, so let's see here. Let's get back to the game. Okay. Next question. What is the value of the 8 in 2.38? Okay, excellent. 15 of you all got this correct. About 20 something of you all on this game. So what is the value of 8, the digit 8 in the number 2.38? For you to know the value, you would need to know the place value of that digit. The digit 8 is in the hundredths place. Therefore, the digit 8 is worth 8 hundredths. Remember, the digits which fall to the right side on the other side of the decimal points are all less than a whole. These are what we refer to as our decimal fractions. So again, the digit 8 is in the hundredths place. Therefore, it is worth 8 hundredths. It's less than 1. Okay, so let's see here. Next question. You all are doing great. You all are doing great. What is the value of the digit 3? Okay, so we are looking at the digit 3. Again, you need to know the place value of this digit. You would need to know the place value of this digit in order to know the total value or the value of that digit in that particular number. Okay, you have 10 seconds remaining. Okay, excellent. 21 persons got this correct. This is great. Could somebody type in the chat for me? What is the place value of the digit 3? Is it in the ones place? The tens place? I can't remember. I need you all to help me out here. What is the place value of the digit 3? What place is it in? Is it in the hundredths place? Okay, so Shari said in the tenths place. Excellent. Tenths place. So do not confuse tenths with tens. Okay, the digit 4 is in the tens place, but the digit 3 is in the tenths place. So the value of the digit 3 is 3/10. It's a fraction, less than 1. Excellent. You all are doing great. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so I see Cardin at the top, Sierra and Raquan, and Cardin has the highest answer streak. Okay, so let's see. Next question. 3/4 written as a decimal. This can be done mentally, or you can do a bit of calculation. A little hint, you can calculate this by saying 3 divided by 4. You can calculate this by saying 3 divided by 4. Okay, you have a few more seconds remaining. 3 divided by 4, and that would help you to get your answer. Okay, so I see that 17 persons got this correct. Okay, so as I said, you can do this mentally. 3 quarters, we know that 2 quarters, that would be a half, 0.5. 3 quarters, that would be 0.75. But what does 3 quarters really mean? It means 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4. 3 is our dividend, 4 is our divisor. Dividing, we say 4 into 3. Okay, that goes 0 times. So what do we do here? 3 is a whole number. As a decimal, this becomes 3.0. So then we say 4 into 30, that goes 7 times. Ensure that you carry your decimal point up. 4 times 7, that's 28. Okay, subtracting 30, take away 28, that's 2. Adding another 0 to carry down, we say 4 into 20, that goes 5 times. So therefore, 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. This is called our quotient. Okay, so let's go here to the next question. The next question is very similar to the one that we had before. Okay, so 3/5 written as a decimal. So you could do the same and divide, say 3 divided by 5. Okay, so you just have a few more seconds remaining. 3/5 written as a decimal. Okay, so excellent. So I see more persons got this one correct than the previous one. So again, you would simply say 3 divided by 5, sorry. You write this smaller. 3 divided by 5. 3 is our dividend. 5 is our divisor. So dividing, we say 5 into 3. We can't. So again, 3 is a whole number. To change this to a decimal, we simply say 0.0. Remember to carry your decimal points up. 5 into 30 goes 6 times. Okay, so therefore our quotient would be 0.6. 3/5 as a decimal would be 0.6. Okay, so I see Katleya just fly up to the top here, trying to get to Kaden. So let's see, 2.5 written as a fraction. Okay, excellent, excellent. 2 and 5/10. So again, you would need to know the place value of the digits in order for you to change it to a fraction. The digit 2 is on the left side of the decimal point, therefore it is a whole number. Okay, and the digit 5 is in the tenths place, therefore its value, which we did before previously, is 5/10. I just want to mention as well that this fraction, sometimes on your test, they may simplify your answers. So even if you do a calculation, you get a particular answer, and then you look at the options on the test and you do not see the answer that you have, double check to see if they did not simplify your answer as one of the options. Because I could have put 2.5 as one of the options. Because why? 5 into 5, that goes once, and 5 into 10, that goes twice. So I could have given you one of the options to be 2.5, which is the same as 2.5, which is the same as 2 5/10. So again, your answers on the exam coming up on Thursday may be simplified when you get your fractions. Okay, so take note of that. We're going on to number 7. We just have 3 more questions remaining. Okay, I see Jabari's here, Imani and Carden, and then I see Kishanta is climbing up. You all are doing great. 3.05 written as a fraction. Look at it in terms of the position of the digit 5. Okay, you just have 5 more seconds remaining. Okay, so 18 persons got this correct. So again, you need to look at the position of the digits. Okay, so again, the 3, that's a whole number. Okay, so this would become 3 5/100ths. Why? Because the digit 5, the last digit, is in the hundredths place. Could somebody tell me, type in the chat for me, what type of fraction is this? 3 5/100ths. Because I have a set of numbers in there. What type of fraction is this? Could somebody tell me? What type of fraction is this? 3 5/100ths. You can type in the chat 3 5/100ths. Right, a mixed number, okay? Or you could, right, it's mixed. So it is made up of a whole number. The number 3 is a whole number. What type of fraction would 5/100ths be? What type of fraction would that be? Just the 5/100ths part. What type of fraction would just the 5/100ths part be? I know that the number 3 is a whole number, but what type of fraction would 5/100ths be? Proper fraction, excellent. Why? Because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay, and if I were to convert 3 5/100ths, okay, to a fraction with just a numerator and a denominator, I would get an improper fraction. Okay, excellent. You all are doing great. So we are moving on to number 8. So we just have 2 more questions. Okay, I see Kaden, Sierra, Kathleen, Imani. You all are all doing excellent. Remember, the points are awarded not just based on the correct answer, but also how fast you answer. So that's why some persons' names are popping up, even if you got the answer correct. Okay? So at number 8, so here we have a word problem. So take your time and read. You have enough time for you to answer. I give you a little extra time for this one. So 3.14 is shared equally. So this gives you an idea as to what we should be doing. Is shared equally between 2 friends. How much money did each friend receive? This can be done mentally, or you could do your calculation. Okay, so it's shared equally between two friends. You do have enough time. I gave you some extra time for this one. Okay, so you just have 9 more seconds remaining. Okay, excellent. So 14 persons got this correct. $3.14 is shared equally between two friends. When you are doing the exam and you're reading your problems, you need to stop whenever you see important words. I see some important words here that says shared equally. So right away it clicks in my mind. It's some sort of division going to take place. It says between two friends. Okay, so this means I'm going to be dividing by 2. 2 is going to be my divisor. How much money did each friend receive? Okay, so make sure you pause while you're going through your word problem. Think on paper. Don't be afraid to write down the information that's important. Represent it. Draw a picture if you have to. Create a table if you have to, so that you can better understand the problem. So $3.14 is shared equally between two friends. So this means I'm going to divide 2 into 3. That goes once. 2 times 1, that's 2. Subtracting, I get 1. Bring your decimal point up. Carry the digit 1 down. This becomes 11. 2 into 11, okay, that goes 5 times. 2 times 5, that gives me 10. Minus a remainder of 1. Carry down the digit 4 all the way down, so this becomes 14. 2 into 14 goes 7 times. So the answer is $1.57. This could have been done mentally. We had $3.14. Dividing by 2, this means that we want to get half of this amount. Half of $3 would be $1.50. Half of 14 cents, that would be 7 cents. So $1.50 plus your 7 cents would be $1.57. So that could have been done mentally as well. So we have one more question, very similar to the one that we just did. Okay, so I see Karen is at the top here, trying to maintain. So let's see, very similar question. A ribbon is 7.62 meters long. You have enough time. No need to rush. No need to rush. You have enough time. 7.62 meters long is cut into 6 equal pieces. So here we are cutting again. We are sharing into equal parts. This time 6 equal parts. What is the length in meters of each part? You have enough time. Do your calculations. Okay. So 7.62 is shared equally. Okay, so 6. Okay, so you do have enough time. Okay, excellent, excellent. So only one person got this incorrect. So let's see here. So 21 persons. So the answer was $1.27. Excellent. So yes, we did have to divide. You all did an excellent job. Okay, so let's see here. So just to make sure, even if it's one person, no one is left behind. So I'm going to do the calculations here. Okay, so 6 into 7, that goes once. 6 times 1, that's 6 with a remainder of 1. Carry your decimal point up. Carry the digit 6 down. Okay, 6 into 16, that goes twice. 6 times 2, that's 12. With a remainder of 4, carry down the digit 2. 6 into 42, that goes, let me carry this across, 6 into 42, that goes 7 times. So the answer was $1.27. Okay, so we have come to the end of our game. We have come to the end of our game. Okay, I'm sorry for those of you who had difficulty in signing on. Okay, if you do want access to this game free of charge, I'm not charging any money for this. Just send me a WhatsApp message. Send a WhatsApp message to the business phone at 1264-581-9957. Just WhatsApp this number and just say CPEA Day 2, and I will send you the link to this game so that you can play this game again at your own pace. I am not going to put the timer on it, so you'll have time for you to do your working, and you will get to practice this game again, practice the decimals on this game here. Okay, so just send me a WhatsApp message and I will share that with you. I forgot to ask you all, what country are you all from? Could you all type the name of the country where you are from in the chat for me, please, so I can know where you all are? For those of you all who do not know, I am originally from Dominica, land of many rivers, but I reside here in Anguilla. Okay, so I see Anguilla here. BVI, welcome. Those of you all in the BVI. In Tortola or Virgin Gorda, I'm not sure. Okay, British Virgin Islands, St. Lucia, Sacafet. I can talk a little patois because I'm from Dominica. For my Anguillians here, Sacafet means how are you? Okay, Turks and Caicos, excellent, excellent. Nice to have you all here. Okay, so I will be on again. Providenciales, okay, excellent. And Guyana, excellent, great. Okay, so I will be on again. As I said, on Wednesday. That's the eve of the exam. I double booked myself. I guess I'm just too ambitious. I am going to be coming on at 6 for you all, CPEA math. And I will be on at 7 for CSEC math. So we have to wrap up our game on Wednesday within an hour. Well, less than an hour. So make sure you're on time. I have to be on time. God's willing, I will be on time. So we will play that game. On Wednesday, I am going to put more than one concept in the game because, you know, you have the exam the next day. So this game is going to have multiple concepts in it. So be prepared. Practice, practice, practice. Again, as I'm speaking about practice, for those of you all who do not know, but we do have on our website available our digital study guide for CPA math with over 250 exam type questions. Okay, so once you get into the website www.jumpstartinstitute.com, you click on unlock the success for CPA math. This is going to take you to 2 sections. It's a one-time payment of $39.99. It gives you access for 3 months. You get access to the 2 sections. This gives you access to all the videos on the number concepts as well as the quizzes after each video. Okay, so geometry, computation. It covers all what you need to know for the exam, basically. As I said, the videos are animated videos. Okay, and it basically just brings the math concept alive. It empowers you as the student. Okay, and it really gives you a guide as to, you know, in terms of when you are studying for your exam. And as I said, you do get the practice quiz after each video. You get to you get to do the quiz. And again, as I said, you know, if your answer is incorrect, it will let you know that it's incorrect and show you the correct answer. So over 250 questions, you can use that in order for you to prepare for the exam on the 4th. So let's get back here. I know that you all are waiting to see who is at the top. So let's see here. Remember, we are all winners. So Katleya is at number 3. Sierra at number 2. And at number 1 in first place, we have Kaden and Imani. Okay, at number 4. Okay, so you all did an excellent job. I will send you all the link to the game once you send me a message. Okay, I will send a link to the game once you send me a message. Okay, I really had fun being here with you all. I look forward to seeing you all on Wednesday. Okay, and ensure that you practice in preparation for your upcoming exam this week. I expect to see improvements in the results this year. Okay, so Jabari, Imani, you all are there, Kaden, Sierra. And remember, you all are all winners. You all did an excellent job. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. Click that subscribe button. Okay, so I will see you all on Wednesday, God's willing. Have a blessed Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday evening. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, Joshua. Bye, Katleya. Bye, everyone.